Teenager accused of killing Sonny Stewart while she was out paddleboarding on Crawford Pond in court for a scheduling conference this evening.
Chief investigative reporter Nora Hogan was inside the courtroom in Rockland.
Today, we learned that the court is moving forward with the state's request for a bind-over hearing to decide whether Devin Young can be tried as an adult. The next step is for state forensics to do a court-ordered mental health evaluation. Young is 18 years old, but he was 17 when he was arrested and charged with the death of Sonny Stewart in Union. Today, he called into the hearing over Zoom from Long Creek Youth Development Center. Until the bind-over hearing, he will be treated as a juvenile. While many juvenile cases are closed to the public, murder cases are open if the defendant is at least 13 years old. But in this case, the court had called for a competency evaluation to see if Young was fit to stand trial. He has to be able to understand the charges, the court process, and the potential consequences.
Can they meaningfully assist in their defense? Can they work with an attorney, talk about the case, establish defenses?
In juvenile cases, if the court calls for a competency evaluation, Maine law requires everything to be private unless and until the juvenile defendant is ruled competent. A judge made that determination last week.
With young people, with anyone actually, what comes out in these evaluations is often a lifetime of trauma and mental health struggles and other very personal, private information that, should it become public, could be horrifically prejudicial against that child for the rest of their life.
While the competency hearing is pending, no matter how serious the charge, the court isn't allowed to acknowledge the existence of a case, which is why we were all in the dark for several months.
Public sentiment does not override due process. It does not override constitutional protections and the right to privacy for a child who's being accused of a very serious crime.
But now that the judge has decided that he is competent, we'll all be able to learn more about the case as it unfolds. Today, the judge said that the bind-over hearing is still months away, possibly September. Whether or not Young is tried as an adult is the difference between a maximum of 3 years in juvenile detention and a minimum of 25 years in prison. In Rockland, I'm Nora Hogan for 8 Investigates.